Well, Rinad, who lives out in Riyadh, says I won't return her texts. And Miriam out in Dammam says I owe her 2 rent checks. And Lina, who lives in Medina, tries to sue me so I flee. They have cause, but we have laws, so they won't be chasing me. All my exes can't drive Lexus. They'd be driving cars, but they're not allowed, you see. No, all my exes can't drive Lexus. And that's why I try to hide in Audis. Samira out in Adria won't hear her driver's seatbelt click. And sweet Yasmin, well, there's 2 reasons she can't drive a stick. And Fatima in Katif, she says I took her kapsa dish. It's true. And Layla, who lives in Bereda, says I stole her baba ganoush. I think that's what that means. All my exes can't drive Lexus. They'd be driving cars, but they're not allowed, you see. No, all my exes can't drive Lexus. And that's why I try to hide in Audis. In reverse, I know it, and our laws, they show it. That's why I'm hiding in my Audi.
Hey everybody, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe because there is a new video coming out on the first Tuesday of every month, which I'm very excited about. Also, if you want to email me, it's Remy@GoRemy.com. That's R-E-M-Y with a Y. Sometimes people spell it with an I. It's fine with me, but the email will not reach me. Also, is there? There's no also. No, also. That's it. There's nobody there. Who am I talking to?